It is Sunday evening, and in my house, things are starting to wind down, and we're starting to prepare and think about the week ahead. And of course, I'm walking around my house and I see nothing but chaos. Pockets of mess, a kitchen that is untidy, laundry that needs to be folded, toys and games all over the place, children running around, and I do not want to start my week like that. So if you are interested in getting some speed, cleaning, motivation, this video is for you. Usually I do this every Sunday. I do it in the afternoon. I do not leave it for the nighttime because then I'm tired and moody and I will not do it properly. I get things organized, even things like snacks for tomorrow's lunches I get arranged. At least some clothes get picked for the next day so that I'm ahead of that schedule in the morning, because Lord knows that mornings are not good for last minute bits. So if you're new to this channel, you know what you need to do. Give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This video is to give you some motivation for getting productive, making you feel good, and of course, enhancing and improving your mom life. Let's do it. So this is the playroom, not in such terrible shape, but of course everything is all over the floor. Here come the bags. And now look at what the stairs look like. For some reason, we end up dumping clothes and things along the way. In fact, I think this pile of clothes right here, they are wet from running in the sprinklers yesterday for the kids, and I have not moved it since yesterday. Entrance table has got a whole lot of stuff just dumped on it. Pokemon cards all over the floor, shoes lying all over the place. Of course, the TV room is a little bit of a mess. It's not too bad, but a very quick spring speed clean will make this place look and feel good in no time. Just as I'm starting this video, this is what's happened on the floor, and this is going to be part of our video. Speed cleaning, everybody. Speed cleaning. Here we go. Okay, the kids are playing, the hair is going up, the cleaning is starting. Let's do this. Next is this area of shoes that is constantly a mess. All the shoes are usually kept here or by the garage, but since I'm going to be wearing these tomorrow morning for my run, I will leave them out, as well as the children's shoes for school. So with all these hoodies and sweatshirts and jackets and scarves and hats that I can see all over the floor, I am going to hang them up in the usual spot, which is by our garage door. We have some hooks. I'll show you now. Okay, so I'm by the garage door. Now I start with the hanging up. Each person has their own hook so that we know whose stuff is on whose hooks. And there's no arguing and no crying and screaming as to whose sweatshirt is for which child. All of our hats go on a hook inside the cupboard door. That cupboard's got all our utilities, all our cleaning products, and inside are all the hats. So they are out of the way. This is where we keep all our karate things. So as the kids are running out to karate, they grab their belt, they grab their outfit and their kit if it's sparring week, and off they go. School bags we're going to have to prepare, so I'm taking it over there. Of course, I just found more hoodies lying around the house. How many hoodies and sweaters can we use in one weekend? Tell me. Okay, now I've flipped the camera and I'm making the pile on the stairs even bigger so that everything is lying at the bottom of the stairs, and then I will divide and conquer and take upstairs. Look at that. Hi, cutie. Okay, we've got towels, t-shirts, and a scarf. I found another hat. It goes straight in the cupboard. I just found the other half of the karate outfit and another belt for another child. So I've got my spot, it's going back. I found more shoes, straight to the cupboard. I've come back to this entrance section because there's Pokemon cards all over the floor. And if anyone has sons or children who love Pokemon, they will feel that the struggle is real right there with me. They are freaking everywhere. I don't even know what this is doing here. It needs to go back to the car, so I'm going to leave it by the front door so I take it tomorrow morning. Unopened box, it's been sitting there the whole week. It's actually our new photos from Mixed Tiles, which we're going to do a separate video to review it. So please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see how these things turn out. Pokemon cards. Hubby's work bag. I would suggest that you try to include your kids when tidying up your house. Go and put this away. Go. The rest of this console table is still a mess. We're going to put it all away. I tend to keep a bowl of all the extra bits right over here. It is a little bit of a mess, and every now and then I do clean it, but for now it's got our car keys, our wallets, our AirPods, all the extra cards that we need, and my running bag for the morning for when I take my phone on a run. And now it's all nice and neat and tidy because it's in one bowl. This is my sacred space, and I'm going to be here early tomorrow morning after my run, all going well, and I'm able to get up before the children wake up. So I have to get my desk ready and organized. I cannot come down here tomorrow morning and see this mess and feel inspired and productive. So I just arrange everything. Usually I'll sit with my laptop and I just make a quick to-do list and make sure that I'm answering whatever emails that I need to answer, make sure it's written down on a list and all my plan for tomorrow, so that when I start my day, I'm not questioning, oh gosh, what am I doing today? What's my meetings like? What calls do I have? And so on and so forth. This is my journal for every morning. I make sure that it's right here in front so that I don't forget it. Thanks, Rachel Hollis. I will plug in my laptop a little bit later when I bring it downstairs. My mouse is ready. And now I'm ready to start my week. Okay. I'm finally approaching the kitchen. And I need to take a deep breath because this is going to take me about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to speed clean through this kitchen and make sure it is morning ready for our family and the chaos. Now, my best part, then I get to wipe some of the surfaces clean. Now it's dishwasher time and the sink in the dishes, because nothing is worse than coming downstairs on a Monday morning and having dishes all over the place and no clean bowls for cereal. You know what I'm saying. So I like to run the dishwasher once a day, usually in the evening. So I've just unpacked, now I'm gonna repack, and even if it's a small load, I'll put it on fast wash, so like it's small load, so it doesn't use as much energy and water, and then all my dishes are clean in the morning. Okay, we're almost there. Turning on the dishwasher. It's actually full, so we're going full load this time. Cleaning out the sink. So the kitchen is done, which means I am almost on my way upstairs. I just have to deal with that pack of clothing and stuff at the bottom of the stairs and take it up, and then I do not come back for the rest of the night. So here's a look at the after of my kitchen, which makes me feel so calm and ready to start the new week. The playroom / office is also clean and all ready. I've lined up the school bags right over here, and now all that's last to do is this little area right here, since everything else is clean and neat. Since a lot of this stuff is laundry anyway, I bring down a big laundry basket and I basically divide the stuff into clean and not so clean, so it can go straight into the washing machine. These towels are clean. Do a quick fold. As expected, half, if not more than half of this is going straight into the washing machine. The rest I'm going to put away upstairs, and we are done and dusted. I can go upstairs now. It is 7:45. My hubby has bathed the kids. They have been fed. The clothes are ready for tomorrow. And our house is clean, so we can have a good productive week. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Finding Momjo. And for other videos that give you some cleaning motivation and some cleaning inspiration, why not check out Carolina's wardrobe declutter or my Marie Kondo style pantry declutter in our cleaning video playlist. Go ahead and watch. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button to make sure that you watch our videos every Tuesday and Friday. Us Momjo mamas, all we want to do is to make your lives better, easier, simpler, and more joyful. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.